So these are the 49 processes that are used to manage any project in the world. It can be from any domain, it can be any industry. That's the reason this project management, particularly PMP certification, is so much in demand and well. So in initiation, here is the difference in real life and in the standards. Usually, you will get a project and you start plan. But as per standards, any work first you have to initiate it. Develop a project charter, the initial document which authorizes a project in a project. Then identify the stakeholders, who will be the stakeholders. And then it starts with the planning. You plan scope, you plan schedule, you plan cost, budget, quality, and you also identify the risk, how to do the communication, and analyze it, quality, put a quality management plan, how to manage the team, and plan procurement, which contract is good for you. All of this is a part of the plan.